Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of modern woodworking and decor crafts idea to build beautiful designs and a lasting legacy as beginner's guide. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking safety essentials. Hands-on creative techniques for beginners to crafting legacies of modern design. As a title, speaks to a fundamental duality within the craft itself. A tension between the calculated precision of modern design and the inherent, almost spiritual connection that woodworkers often feel with their medium. It suggests a journey, one that begins with the absolutely necessary grounding in safety, not as a restrictive imposition, but as the bedrock upon which all creativity and skill must be built. This initial emphasis on safety is crucial, recognizing that woodworking, while deeply rewarding, presents tangible risks. Ignoring these risks is not only foolish but disrespectful to the craft itself. The title's direct address to beginners is significant, acknowledging the inherent vulnerability of those new to the workshop. A space teeming with powerful tools capable of both creation and destruction. The focus on hands-on creative techniques immediately steers the learner towards active engagement. It's not about passively absorbing theory, but about directly experiencing the tactile nature of woodworking, understanding how different tools interact with wood, and learning to control them with precision and purpose. This experiential learning is key to internalizing safety protocols. By feeling the power of a spinning blade or the force required to secure a workpiece, the beginner develops a healthy respect for the potential dangers. The phrase, crafting legacies of modern design, elevates the ambition beyond mere hobbyism. It suggests a trajectory, a path that leads from initial fumbling to the creation of objects that are not only functional, but also beautiful and enduring. It acknowledges the historical lineage of woodworking, the generations of craftspeople who have shaped wood into objects of utility and art, while simultaneously embracing the contemporary aesthetic of modern design. This juxtaposition of legacy and modernity is crucial. It encourages the beginner to understand the traditions of woodworking, the time-honored techniques that have been passed down through generations, but also to feel empowered to innovate, to push the boundaries of what's possible with wood, and to contribute their own unique vision to the ongoing evolution of the craft. The notion of legacies implies a responsibility, a recognition that the objects created will outlive the maker, carrying with them a piece of their skill, their vision, and their connection to the material. This sense of permanence adds weight and significance to the work, encouraging a commitment to quality and craftsmanship that transcends mere utility. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The second part of the interpretation meets the soul of woodworking, delves into the more intangible, almost philosophical aspects of the craft. It suggests that woodworking is more than just a skill. It's a relationship, a dialogue between the woodworker and the material. The soul of woodworking encompasses the profound satisfaction of transforming a raw piece of wood into something beautiful and functional. The quiet focus and concentration required to execute a precise cut. The deep connection to the natural world that comes from working with a material that was once a living tree. It acknowledges the inherent beauty of wood its grain, its texture, its color, and the way it responds to light. It recognizes that each piece of wood is unique, with its own history and character, and that the woodworker's role is to reveal that beauty, to unlock its potential, rather than to force it into a predetermined shape. Meeting the soul of woodworking involves understanding the inherent properties of different wood species, knowing how they will behave under different conditions, and choosing the right wood for the task at hand. It's about listening to the wood, allowing it to guide the design, rather than imposing a rigid plan upon it. The concept of soul also implies a certain level of humility. The woodworker is not simply imposing their will upon the material, but rather collaborating with it, respecting its limitations, and appreciating its strengths. This collaboration requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. Woodworking is not a craft that can be mastered overnight. It requires years of dedicated practice to develop the skills and intuition necessary to consistently produce high-quality work. The process is often iterative, involving experimentation, refinement, and a constant striving for improvement. This ongoing pursuit of excellence is itself a key component of the soul of woodworking. Meeting the soul of woodworking involves embracing the imperfections, the occasional miscuts or dents, as part of the learning process. These imperfections tell a story, revealing the challenges faced and the lessons learned along the way. They add character to the finished piece, making it unique and personal. In essence, the title and its interpretation form a holistic view of woodworking. It acknowledges the practical realities of safety and skill acquisition, while simultaneously embracing the more profound and intangible aspects of the craft. It suggests that true mastery of woodworking involves not only technical proficiency, but also a deep appreciation for the material, a willingness to learn from mistakes, and a commitment to creating objects that are both beautiful and enduring. The beginner must first learn the fundamentals of safety, understanding how to operate the tools correctly and how to protect themselves from injury. They must then develop their skills through hands-on practice, learning to control the tools with precision and purpose. As their skills grow, they can begin to explore the creative possibilities of woodworking, experimenting with different designs and techniques. Ultimately, they will discover the soul of woodworking, the profound satisfaction of transforming raw wood into something beautiful and functional, and the deep connection to the natural world that comes from working with this remarkable material. This is where the technical skills of modern design and the timeless spirit of the craft truly converge. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern woodworking and decor crafts idea to build beautiful designs. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.